In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the fabric canopy from the umbrella. Now the umbrella you see there is much larger than the umbrella I'm going to use to demonstrate this, but the concept is still the same. It's pretty easy. You first start by unscrewing the top counterclockwise. As you can see, there's a hole there where the top screws into, and your new fabric canopy is also going to have an opening for you to put over that hole when replacing it. Then you're going to go down to the bottom where the umbrella arms are. As you can see, the fabric has little pockets for each little arm. So you just remove the fabric from the arms. Now this is what the actual umbrella looks like after you've removed the fabric. There's the top of the opening, and as you can see, all the little arms. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your new fabric canopy, and as you can see, this is the top and there's the opening. You're going to place that over the hole here, and then you're going to screw in the top to secure it. Now I've placed the top over the opening, and I'm just screwing it back on clockwise. After that, you're going to find your little pockets, and you are just going to install it over each arm. And you just continue until everything's in place. And this is what the inside looks like once all the little openings of the canvas have been placed over the hook. And there's the umbrella with the new canopy ready to be opened. And there's the open umbrella. I demonstrated on a half umbrella, but to replace the fabric canopy, it's the same for any umbrella. You just unscrew the top there on the outside, and there you have each of your arms and the little pocket from the fabric when you insert that arm. Pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed it.